guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today I got 2010 Nissan Versa, and I'm gonna show how to replace the horn. Okay guys, this horn is held by one screw. It's 12mm screw, and then there's a 2-wire harness. So basically, you want to do is just like a press and then pull, press and pull. One is green wire and one's red wire, and that's the horn, you guys. And also now, once you take out the wire harness, you take out the nut. Also along the left of the horn. Go. Yep. Use a 12mm socket and a ratchet to remove the nut. Go. So just hold on to it, don't drop it, you know. Make sure it's set. Once it's loose, just try to take it out with the socket only. There you go. There you go. And here is the horn. You are gonna remove the horn only, and remove the nut in the back, the 10mm nut. I would recommend you to use a short socket. So just use a short socket to remove the nut, or 10mm nut in the back. That is just want to remove the horn only and save the hardware. And that's all you need to do. So to install the horn, you just put the 2-wire harness back. There you go. And then the screws, which is the nut. And this is it. Then the 12mm socket. So use my hand, use the socket only. Once it's tight, use the ratchet. And the nut. Stick it easy on it. You don't want to snap it either. Just hold it in place. That's it. So that's how you install the horn for 2010 Nissan Versa. Alright guys, thanks for watching Tech Time with T. That is how you replace the horn of a 2010 Nissan Versa. It's actually just held by a nut. 2 nut really. One is a 10mm nut from the back, and one is up front 12mm nut. So that's how you remove it. And to remove to get access to the horn, you actually have to remove the front bumper and the grill. So please take a look at my other video to how to uninstall or remove the front bumper to gain access to this horn, to fix the horn. All right. It's easy. Replacement, 2-wire harness, two nuts, and that's it. But main timing is the removal of the front bumper and the grill of the car. So check my video on the top. And thank you for watching Tech Time with T. And don't forget to subscribe, comment anything, comments, dislike, like. And if you want to any recommendation, just comment below.